What's up guys, Jeremy here with Shine Supply. In today's video, I want to talk about something we all hate to do, and that's clean windows. In this video, I'm going to give you guys some helpful tricks and tips to make it easier. Let's go. I want to give you guys a breakdown on the two different glass cleaning products. We have a ready to use, this is a new product to the website, and then we have our Sunshine, which is a concentrate. Here's the difference between the two. The ready to use has a faster flash time, meaning the time you spray it on the glass, it is going to flash and dry off a lot quicker. You want a faster flash time when dealing with colder glass. You might be in a shop environment, or even in the winter months where the glass is colder, you want that faster flash time so the product's drying and it helps prevent streaking. The Sunshine, however, is great for hotter glass, more outdoor conditions. It has a slower flash time, so you have a longer amount of time to work the Sunshine on the glass. So when dealing with hot glass, you want that longer work time so the product doesn't dry up on you prematurely, which can cause streaking also. So you can see on this side where I sprayed the Sunshine, it's still in a very wet state. That's giving you that longer work time when the glass is hotter. Where over here with the ready to use, it's evaporating a lot faster, giving you less work time, but you want that when the glass is colder. All right, let me say a few things about towels before we get into the demonstration. And at the end, I'm gonna talk about towel care, which is key to making sure you have crystal clear windows at the end of your job. So the towels we like to use are this yellow short pile waffle weave towel for our initial few passes. And then I have this small drying towel actually that we use for windows as our second towel. A lot of the problem with people is they try to use one towel to clean the glass. Once this towel gets damp, that's how you start getting streaks. So we use the yellow towel for our initial few passes, and then we use this small drying towel, the gray side, for our follow-up after the yellow, and then we flip over and use the blue side for one final pass, and we always have perfect streak-free windows. Okay, so I'm gonna get the Sunshine diluted with some water. But if you grab this from the site, you could get it in the 16 ounce, comes with the bottle so you can dilute it, or you can grab the gallon and just make sure you grab yourself a secondary spray bottle so you can dilute it accordingly. And again, the blue version is RTU, ready to rock. You can buy this on the gallon on the website, and you can get a secondary bottle with a label that you can fill up, looks super clean. Okay, so the pint comes with this secondary bottle. I've got it filled up to the 4 ounce marker. There's a 12 ounce marker line right there. I fill it to 4 ounce with the Sunshine. I like to just grab a bottle of water and fill it to the 12 ounce, and I know it's been diluted properly. Definitely use purified water, like drinking water or distilled. Don't use tap water. That could aid to having streaks because you got dirty water. Give this a quick shake up, grab our towels. Let's come around here. I'm gonna spray the product directly on the glass. Give it an initial wipe with the yellow towel. This is where you're always gonna still see some streaking. Typical method is you'd flip the towel and re-wipe it. That works great for the first 1 or 2 windows, but again, once this towel gets damp, that's when it starts streaking. So I set this one aside. I take this gray twisted side. It's got this nice twisted fabric. It glides right over the glass. It doesn't get grabby on you, which is a problem sometimes as well. I'm going to spritz one spray of the Sunshine to lightly moisten this towel. That's gonna quickly pull these streaks up. That's another problem that happens when you're cleaning glass is once you do your initial passes and you go to wipe it again with the dry side of the towel or a second towel, you have dry towel, hot, dry glass. You're just moving the streaks around rather than pulling up that remaining product and leaving them crystal clear. Then I flip it over, one final few passes with the blue side, and you're gonna have crystal clear glass. Back window, one spritz. Gray side of the towel. This is still lightly moist from the Sunshine. so I don't need to spray more until that dries out on me. Flip the towel, a few more passes, done. So what I want you guys to take away most from this video is the 2 towel method. Use this yellow towel first, set it aside. 1 spritz of glass cleaner on the gray side of this towel. This is going to be your second step. And then your third final step is to flip this towel and a few more passes with the blue side. This is going to pretty much eliminate all the issues any of you are having with glass cleaning. Look at that driver's side window right there. I like to start on the outside of the glass, box it in, and then work the inside. I will say the blue RTU glass cleaner is stronger than the Sunshine. So when you have some really gnarly film on the inside of a front windshield, or you're cleaning the outside of a front windshield, maybe you're on a trip and there's some bugs on it, the blue ready to use is gonna be your choice. Now, an issue a lot of you probably have is cleaning the inside of a front windshield. So the inside of this windshield's pretty warm, so I'm gonna go with the Sunshine. It's not like you're gonna do a test spot on each windshield, but you're gonna know what to grab depending on the temperature of the glass. Sometimes I will spray the glass cleaner on my microfiber towel and then wipe the glass along with putting some spritzes on the glass. I just want to wet it out the most as possible without getting product all over the dashboard. This twisted microfiber material on this gray side glides so easily over the inside of this front windshield. That's where a lot of you guys, I'm sure you have trouble. Your towel wants to grab where this material just helps it glide right over, along with having the towel lightly damp. That's just pulling those streaks right up. I'm always using more glass cleaner on the inside of a front windshield because it's always going to be the hottest glass. And then you get that long, nice work time with your product. You see how I box that in? And I'm gonna switch hands so I can really get this bottom line right here. Final step. And you can do a whole car without having to grab more towels. These 2 towels are gonna last you the whole vehicle. How's that look? Streak free? Let me show you guys something. We typically wouldn't clean a window like this on a truck that hasn't been washed. But let's do this back window right here. Look how grimy that is. Of course, the glass cleaner is a great product, but it's more the method that's giving us those results. So I'm gonna use the blue ready to use because it is stronger. I'm gonna go a little heavier, outside, box it in. Now, let me give you guys a demo of what typically people are doing. They'd flip the towel, look at, they try to wipe. It's looking okay, but see how it's still leaving some streaks? And you gotta go back and forth, trying to get those off. Little spritz. Look at that, almost 1 pass. Pulls all of those streaks up. Flip the towel. Medium down pressure, a few passes. And we're solid, look at that. Okay, last thing, let me give you guys some tips on towel care. So down here, I have our micro clean in a quart. We also have it in a gallon. It's very important that you use the right detergent when washing your towels. Don't ever use a powdered detergent. And if you use a typical laundry soap, a lot of times that's what can leave residue in your towels, which as soon as it gets damp, the towel gets damp, it's gonna promote streaking on your windows. So use a designated microfiber towel cleaner. I know there's lots of them on the market. This isn't a sell point for ours. It's just how to properly wash your towels to help you guys not get streaks in your window. Another thing I like to do when I wash the towels is do 2 rinses. That's another way to ensure that you've gotten all the detergent out of the towel. And then lastly, always wash your window towels separately. Do a separate load. Don't wash them with towels you've used for the paint, the wheels, etc. You don't want any cross-contamination with other soil from towels to get in your window towels. I know it's still getting rinsed and all that, but designating the load to just be window towels only makes a big difference. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope that gave you some helpful tips on cleaning windows and makes it a little less painful for you guys. As always, leave us a comment. We're happy to help. We'll see you in the next video.